Hi everyone. So today we're gonna look into Leetcode daily challenge problem number 1443, minimum time to collect all apples in a tree. I'll be very honest with you guys that I wasn't able to, tackle this question, and I have taken some help from a very beautiful YouTube channel called NeetCode.io. So I'll be linking the solution down below, and I'll highly recommend you guys to go to the video and check out the solution because the explanation and everything was so damn good that I have even accepted the same solution and I have implemented the same on my part as well. So check out the link in the description, and there will be a link at the top as well on your top right corner. So click on that, go to the video, drop a comment that you have came from this video, and yeah, thanks so much for watching the video, and please subscribe to the channel. Like, I'll try to come up with with the solutions of lead code daily challenge. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.